Okay, what we have here, we've got a Fram. This is an XG16. It came off a 2007 Dodge Ram with a 4.7. This filter saw about 10,000 miles or so in service. Over 3 years. There were some mechanical issues during that time. One of the issues, the injectors would dump a lot of excess fuel into the cylinder. So it was running extremely rich. Got that fixed. Replaced the plugs, the coils, injectors, all through this oil change interval. So this is what we have. You can see, I'm sure this is due to the time in service over 3 years. There's rust around the outside of the O-ring here. The rest of the can looks fine. So let's cut it open to see what it looks like.
Hi. Video.
Yeah.
Wow, those are bright. What do you think of them?
I'm gonna be blind. Can I put these down somewhere? I'll put them on the table.
One thing about the Fram filters, they cut open pretty easy. So if you like to cut them open, I guess that's a positive. That's also because of their thin case. For most people, that's not going to be an issue. Silicone anti-drain back valve. Soft, pliable, no cracks, no rips. See the dark oil, but no issues. Heavy base plate. Here we have the bypass valve. Still functioning, no surprises. No grit on the top of the filter. Oil here is pretty dark. It just doesn't mean anything. Construction's good on the filter. Good spacing, don't see any rips. This is a backed media, all synthetic media. If I pull apart some of these pleats, not seeing large amounts of grit or buildup. See, this filter held up fine. There's no issues, nothing to be alarmed about. Would have no issue running one of these on any vehicle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.